Alright, we've learned to solve graphs by graphing them. We've learned to solve systems by substitution. Now we're going to solve by using elimination. The first rule is to write the system so that like terms are aligned. The second rule is to add or subtract the equations, eliminating one of the variables, then solve. The last rule is to substitute the value from step 2 into one of the equations and solve. Alright, write down this system. 4x plus 6y equals 32, and 3x minus 6y equals 3. Alright, the first step was to align the equations by variable. Are these aligned? Yes, x is over x, y is over y. The next thing you want to do is make it to where they eliminate one of the variables. Which this one we don't have to do anything to. If you look, you have 6y minus 6y. If we added these two equations, they would cancel each other out. We have 4x plus 3x, that gives us 7x. 32 plus 3 is 35.
5.
We divide by 7, and x is 5. Now we use their substitution from Tuesday. We plug x as the 5 and for x into one of these equations. It does not matter which. I'm going to do 4x plus 6y equals 32. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract 20 both sides. 6y is 12. Divide by 6. Y is 2. My solution is 5, 2. Write down these. The first thing what we want to do is align the variables. Are these aligned? No. Y is over x, x is over y. So what I want to do is I want to move them around. I'm going to keep the top one the same. I'm going to move 4y, negative 4y underneath it. Put the 2x there. Are these aligned? Yes. Are they the exact same equations as before? Yes, they are. Alright. Now we eliminate our 4y because 4 minus 4 is 0. So we're just adding these. 3 plus 2 is 5. 22 plus 14, 36.
Plus. They're both positives.
Yes.
Always?
Divide by 5.
Oh, we always do that?
Yes. Alright, I'm going to leave x as 36 over 5. I'm going to plug that into one of these equations. Does not matter where. I'm going to go there. Guys, I made a mistake. This is supposed to be 3x. Yeah, when I copied it, I put in 2. No big deal. Okay, this makes us 6x. Divide by 6. Now it comes out even. X is 6.
What is it? It's 6, dude.
Jacob, please space forward. Next thing I do, I plug 6 in for x. So 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 4y equals 14. Subtract 14 on both sides. Oh, 18, sorry. I don't know why I did that. Negative 4y equals negative 4. Divided by negative 4. Y equals 1. So my answer is 6, 1. That's my solution to this system. Any questions? Write this down. The first thing you do is make these in the equations. So we have negative 3 times one number, that's x, plus 5 times another number. My another number is going to be y. It equals negative 11. Okay. Then the next thing is 3 times the first number plus 7 times the other number is -1. So then we just add these because it will eliminate. These are aligned and it will eliminate. 5 plus 7 is 12y equals -12. Divide by 12y is -1. I plug that in, it doesn't matter which one. 3x minus 7 equals -1. Because -1 times 7 is -7. Add 7 to both sides. 3x is 6. Divide by 3, x is 2. My solution in this system is 2, -1. Write this down. First thing we want to do is align the variables. So I'm going to move that top one. I'm going to make that 5r plus 2t equals 6. 9r plus 2t equals 22. If I added these, would anything be eliminated? No, it would not. If I plussed everything, yeah, it wouldn't work. It wouldn't work. So what we have to do is we have to subtract them. We have to subtract. So we look at this 5r minus 9r. -4r. I have 2t minus 2t. So what I do is I go here 2t minus 2t. Okay? They cancel each other out. I then do 6 minus 22. It's -16. Then I divide by -4. R is 4. I then plug that into one of these equations. It does not matter which. I'm going to go in that top one. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2t equals 6. Subtract 20. 2t equals -14. Divide by 2. T is -7. You go alphabetically, so you could write it as 4, -7. Or you could write it as this. Either way. Here is your assignment.